Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know your oil pump is failing and it's time to replace it before you destroy your engine? The first sign that you know that the oil pump is failing is going to be the oil pressure warning light turning on, and you're also going to see the needle on oil pressure gauge start to drop. So the oil pump is usually driven by a timing chain. It can be driven by a timing belt. It is driven by the crankshaft. It's also driven by the camshaft, and so on. It is extremely rare for the oil pump to fail. And if you look on the inside of the oil pump, you can see that it is made of extremely durable material. There are a lot of reasons why oil pump fail. And the number one reason is going to be clogged oil pickup screen. If the oil pickup screen is clogged, caused by contaminants such as sludge, medical particles, dirt, silicone, anything that's floating inside the oil is going to get sucked up into the oil pickup tube, and it's going to get stuck at the oil pickup screen. When contaminants get stuck right at the oil pickup screen, the oil pump is not going to receive that much engine oil. Therefore, it's going to cause lack of lubrication. When there's lack of lubrication, the oil pump is going to heat up due to increased friction, and it's going to cause it to prematurely fail. So I just removed the oil pickup screen, and you should always check the oil pickup screen every time you change your oil pan, because if it looks extremely clogged in there, you should either try to clean it up or replace this oil pickup screen. This will definitely prevent damage to your engine. The next common reason why oil pump fail is going to be it's going to develop some sort of leak. This can be due to bad oil pump gasket, bad oil pump seal, or bad oil pump O-rings. If you have an external oil pump that's driven by the timing belt, timing chain, crankshaft, and so on, and if the gasket or seal start to fail, you're going to see a large puddle of engine oil on the floor coming on the side where the oil pump is mounted. If the oil pump completely fell or stopped spinning for some reason, this is going to cause a decrease in oil flow, and when there's a decrease of oil flow in the engine, this is going to cause increased friction. Every single moving component inside the engine must be properly lubricated. For example, the crankshaft must be lubricated, camshaft must be lubricated, the piston must be lubricated, all engine bearings must be lubricated, and so on. And when you have a decrease in oil flow, this is going to cause, again, increased friction. This is going to cause the engine to overheat. And for some reason, if oil flow completely stops, this can actually cause the engine to seize. When the oil pump is failing, you're going to hear some sort of noise. Either the noise is going to come from the oil pump, or you're going to hear noise coming from the engine. When the oil pump internal components start to fail, it can start to whine. It can make all sorts of high-pitched noise or some sort of strange noise. And if the oil pump is failing, again, this is going to cause decrease in engine oil flow. When there is a decrease in engine oil flow, components such as the valve train, timing chain, and so on can start to become noisy. You're going to hear ticking noise, you're going to hear clicking noise, you're going to hear rattling noise coming from the timing chain, and so on. The best way to make your oil pump last longer is very simple. All you need to do is just change your engine oil and oil filter on time, and make sure to inspect the oil pickup tube from time to time. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.